Hey y'all, oh my gosh. So I just washed, conditioned, blow dried my hair. And I'm not good at blow drying my hair. This is my worst side. And I know with a good straighten or a good blowout, wash and curl, you need your hair blow dry really good. And I'm not good at it. I'll leave that to the professionals. But I'm going to test out this 2-in-1 airflow straightener and curler from TikTok shop. My mom bought this from TikTok shop. The brand TYMO. And it's right here. I got the air cooling part. But listen to this. Y'all hear that? That's the cooling part. Now, my mom said she used it on both the curling, the cooler, and without it being on cool. The cool give you a shining finish. So, I'm going to try it on both. So, I'll be back. But y'all hear it? It scared the mess out of me. I thought water was running. I'm like, what's that sound? Because I was watching TV and I had it on. And my mom was like, yeah, that's how it goes. So, I have it on the 3rd setting, whatever that is. It goes up to setting 5. Y'all, so far I really like it. My hair feels so smooth and it doesn't feel damaged, burnt. You know how sometimes you can curl your hair and you feel like it's getting fried. It does. Even though a lot of heat come out, I have the curling setting on. I mean the cooling setting on because I got scared because I have it on the highest one because I keep on making a mistake and pressing the button. So it went on the highest one. I said I'm just keep it there and put it on the cooling setting. But look at all the heat as well. But once again, I'm not good with straightening my hair, blow drying my hair, or curling my hair. I'm only good at doing a wash and go, a braid set, a twist out for it to come out really nice. But curl, straighten, no, my hair is too thick, too long to be doing all that. I'll leave that to the professionals. But for me to do it and not good at it, look how it came out. Y'all saw it. Let me pull out this side. Even though this is my bad side. Look at it. So I did a darn good job. And it didn't take that long. So let me finish. And then I guess I'll come back doing some of the side and show y'all the results. But so far, so good. Okay, TikTok. I really like it. And my mom bought this. They did not send me this. My mom bought this with her own coins because she couldn't wait for me. So she bought this. And once again, it's TYMO AIRFLOW 2-in-1. I've never had a curling iron with a cooling setting. And y'all can hear it. It sounds like a fan. And that's what it is, a built-in fan that protects your hair. All right, let me finish, y'all. Okay, I just had to come back before I even do the side. So look at this. Oh, game changer. Game changer. Y'all gonna want it. Y'all gonna want this. Y'all gonna want this. My hair feels so smooth. And this is the heat protected that I use. You always want to use a heat protectant when you're blow drying your hair and when you curling or straightening and putting any heat to it. Look at that bounce. Look at that stiff wear. Stiff wear. Okay. And I'm thinking I'm going to ride it up. I'm going to just put a ride set in it. Y'all, my arm is tired. This one giving me a run for my money. It's still coming out good. I barely can curl it. I'm just mainly straightening it because this is my worst side ever. This is my worst side. It just can't get right. It's the shorter side, but it's the thicker side. And yeah, as y'all can see. But I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna just turn the ear part off. But I'm gonna keep it on because I think I want to do a little touches. So, a little touch up. Let me part it. I can do a middle part or I can do a side part. So let's like fluff it. Let's see. And y'all see where I started. Let's see. Y'all can tell that this is the better side. This side, let me see. Ooh. Let me do a side part. Only because I need more here on the bad side. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that'll be better. Like have it, you know. Yes. Starting to look like old Tasha. Back in the day, Tasha, when I used to have my hair flowing. Okay, let's see. I think I did pretty darn good to do it by myself. Damn. If I was a professional, it would have came out way better than this, but I did a damn good job. And it got some bounce to it. And when I tell y'all, all I have in my hair is my leave-in conditioner and this heat protector, but my hair feels so moisturized and so like it have oil on it. I don't know if that thing puts out oil or what, but the air of it gives you a shine. But I like it. I like it. So if y'all want one, y'all know what to do. Click the card that says creator earns commission. And okay, TikTok, once again, this is how the box look. It comes in pink as well. And then you have some of them, so many different ones on TikTok, so many different prices. But I'm gonna have the correct one link. It comes in purple, pink, black. But the one like this that we bought, well, my mom bought, not we. It comes in black and pink. So she chose the black one. I would have chosen pink. But all right, y'all. Bye. Y'all let me know if y'all want to try it and how y'all like it. And be sure to click the card.